channel. So today's video is like super exciting. Oh my god, am I camouflaging with the wall? Okay, fine. So today's video is super exciting because one, it's a collab video and it's been like, I don't even remember the last time I did a collab. So it's been really long since I did a collab video, and two, it is a box exchange video. So I have this huge box full of goodies which is being sent by Lazumit. She is a fellow YouTuber and she is from Sikkim. So how this video works is that we send each other boxes full of goodies which are from our state. I am from Kerala and Lazumit is from Sikkim. We both have different cultures and it's really fun to explore our different cultures and see what we have in common and what new things we can find.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am so freaking excited to film this video because number one, this is like my first ever collab video which the YouTubers do, and number two, I'm doing it with Chinmay and she's from Kerala. Number three, we haven't met each other as a person and we came across each other through Instagram a few days back, and I'm so glad that we are collaborating in this manner. So I think I'll have to stop blabbering, so let's just get into the video.
So I have not opened the box yet and I'm like super excited. I'm dying to know what she sent me. So let us get started. And here's the box. So this is quite heavy. Let's see what she has put inside. Oh my god, like she has actually packed each and every category separately, and I have not done this for my box. Yeah. So in the accessories and decor category, the first thing that I can see is this lovely pair of earrings. This is like so cute. It has gold, black metal and some grey detailing.
Oh, I know this is not something related to the traditions of my state, but okay, when I was buying all these stuffs, I just came across a shop and I found this one so unique and so stylish at the same time. So I just wanted to get this for you.
Wow, this is so beautiful. So the next thing is this decor piece. This is like a souvenir piece. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna hang it in my room. Yeah, I remember my friend had been to Sikkim and she had got such a decor piece. And this is so lovely. I really like it.
So in terms of decoratives, I just got you this simple thing. I don't know what these are called actually, but wherever you go in Sikkim, in every touristic place, you'll definitely see this in the shop.
Wow, this piece is like so exciting. This is a wooden or a bamboo comb. Let me open it. And it has Gift of Sikkim written on it. This is so cute. Oh wow. This is so authentic, and it's a wooden comb, but it could also be bamboo, I'm not sure.
The next thing that I got for her is this bamboo comb. I don't know if it's available in Kerala or not, but in Sikkim you get this in every single store, and it also has Gift of Sikkim inscribed on it, and this was very reasonable and I hope you like this one. And it's made out of bamboo. Again, it's eco-friendly.
Razu, you have packed so well. So next is favorites, and from what I can feel, it feels like a book. Wow. This is a cute book. It has Monks United on it and it has pictures of monks over here. I really like notebooks. I have tons of notebooks and I like to write down my to-do list and stuff, and the paper quality is so good. I think I can even paint on it. Like it's almost like handmade paper. This is like super cute. I'm gonna keep it for life. That was the favorite section. Yes, it's my favorite as well.
First thing that I got for her is this notebook, and it has this really adorable cover where you see cheeky little monks with the football, because when you visit Sikkim you will definitely go monasteries, and in monasteries you see little monks who are so enthusiastic and they would be like playing around with footballs, and all of them, they are like so adorable. I think that's what they are trying to represent in this picture.
So moving on. Oh my god, this is like super cute. This is a really cute bag, and the best part is she has written down Chinmay on it with pearls, and this looks really good, and this is like my little personalized bag. We have chopsticks in here. Now I can definitely practice using chopsticks without being embarrassed in restaurant. Wow, she has a letter in here for me. I have also written a note. I mean, it's not a letter, but yeah, you can watch it on her video. So I'll have it linked down below.
So the next thing that I got for you is this chopstick. Chinmay, I just wanted you to try and eat with this because in my case, I have been trying to eat with chopstick ever since I was a kid. I had been practicing till then. We used to eat with bamboo, self-made bamboo chopstick, and even till date, I seriously don't know how to eat with it. It's quite a hassle for me.
So let's move on to the miscellaneous section. This is bamboo toothbrush and I'm like super excited. I had seen this on Amazon and I had thought to switch over to bamboo stuff. Okay, I have the toothbrush here and it's definitely cute. The bristles are also soft. But we have two pencils also over here. This is plantable seed pencil. So once I finish using it, I'll have seeds over here which I can plant. Oh, okay. So this is a radish plant. And this is a coriander plant seed. I mean, this is super exciting. I also read my vegetables. I'm sorry if I'm too excited in this video. This is super fun, guys. So
the next thing that I bought for her is this toothbrush because I've never seen anything as interesting as this in terms of toothbrush. I got this for her. This is made out of bamboo and yeah, this was also really reasonable and I got this again from one of the local stores in MG Mart.
Yeah, so let's move on to the edible section. Whoa, this is like the heaviest part. Again, there's another chopstick, so that is super exciting. So I have two chopsticks to practice using it on. So the first thing that I can see is chicken flavored instant noodles. And this is some brand Bye Bye. I've heard of this, but I've not come across it anywhere here where I live. So I have a chicken masala noodles and a veg masala noodles. So that's great. I don't know what this is. This is something I've never ever come across. To look at, it looks like you know that thing which we eat with beetle leaf. I don't know what to call it. In Malayalam we call it pogela. She has written it's gundruk. It's really long. It looks like some leaf. Okay, it is some dried leaf. It's a completely different taste. I don't know whether we are supposed to eat it like this or do something before eating. I've definitely not had something of this taste before. So on googling I have found out that this is a fermented leaf and it is really rich in minerals.
The next thing that I got for you is this fermented green leaves. It's called gundruk in Nepali. All you have to do is boil water, add onion, tomato, salt of course, and add these thing out there. It should be really less in quantity because it's kind of sour, but I would recommend you to add potatoes to it because it's so good if you add potatoes to it. It's like my favorite dish. It's really easy to cook.
So this is titiri. That is so cute. I think it's like imli candy. This is like super yummy. I'm definitely going to finish it off today.
The next thing that I got for you is this. It's called titiri or titaura. It's made out of lopsi. Okay, it's lopsi in Nepali, but I don't know what's it called in English. Let me search. Hog plum. We call it hog plum. In Nepali, we call it lopsi. And I'm absolutely sure that you're going to love this one.
Okay, so the next thing is churpi. This looks like sugarcane pieces. This is in this cube form. I'm not able to bite in it. It's like really hard. Tastes like ash. Are we supposed to eat this? Google to the rescue. Wow. Oh my god, this is cheese. So guys, this is the hardest cheese in the world. I just found out about it from Google and this is super exciting and I'm really not able to bite into it. It's like that hard. It's like stone. I don't know whether we have to cook it or like heat it up before eating or something, but as it is, like in this form, I'm not able to bite into it, but it's really amazing. I'm super amazed to know that this is actually cheese. I thought it was like a sugarcane cube or something. Wow.
Churpis are available in hard and in soft form. So this is the harder version of churpi. It's made from buttermilk and I'm not sure if you like this one because it's actually tasteless. It's neither sour, neither sweet, neither salty.
So those were all the things that Lazumet sent me, and I'm like super excited and super happy. I'm still excited to like use all of these things which are like extremely new to me, and all these food items are something which I have never ever seen. I love everything that she sent, but there's something which I like a little bit more, like a teeny bit more, and that is this toothbrush, this bamboo toothbrush. I'm super excited to use this, and I'm definitely gonna stick on to bamboo toothbrush, never gonna use plastic again. If you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So if you want to see what I got Lazumet from Kerala, then definitely go to her channel and see her video. If you go watch her video, do comment down on her video that you are from my channel, and yeah. So that is all for this video. On a super happy note, I'm gonna end this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.
For me to say you